Geranium is used as an astringent, hemostatic, diuretic, antiseptic, antispasmodic, and as an anti-infectious agent. It is great for all overbalancing effect on the skin, creating a balance between oily and dry skin. It also wards off mosquitoes and head lice. This oil works wonders for wrinkles and is also indicated for disturbed and sensitive skin, as well as for broken capillaries. It works well in reducing edema and fluid retention, promoting circulation, and has a stimulating effect on the lymphatic system. Geranium works well as a decent overall skin cleanser and makes a fabulous oil for mature and troubled skin, bringing a radiant glow to your complexion. Geranium is well tolerated by most individuals, but since it helps in balancing the hormonal system, care must be taken during pregnancy. Avoid use during the first and second trimester. Do not use if you have a history of estrogen-dependent cancer or are hypoglycemia. Geranium is a middle note.